So today we decided to walk up the hill for the University of Burundi Kiriri campus. So we're starting here, and there it is over there. There's another view from the hill here. Come down another couple hundred meters. See Bujumbura down there, the economic capital of Burundi. This little view of the walk down. Not too many of those buses going. A lot of walkers. We had to get this far just to get a break with no walkers. There's so many people nowadays because there's no gas and no diesel. Kind of a steep drop off. I'm gonna drive over this little edge. Pretty cool view up here. There are some nicer houses up here, but they're kind of mixed in with houses that aren't so nice. Wouldn't necessarily call this a rich neighborhood, seems to be mixed. Here a little bit further down the hill, you can see another view of Bujumbura. And across the water, if you can make that out, is Congo. This is a backside of the hill here, or mountain. That's what it looks like. There's a market area. A little market area where you can probably get kind of your main things. Here we are with another look out here. We're just coming up on a crossroads. There's a monument over there. A lot of people cut through there, I'd say. Save a little bit when they're walking up. Pretty fancy building there. It's a pretty good view down there of Prince Louis Rwagasore Stadium, still being built. A little bit further down the street now. It's a view of that street over there.